Hello, hi, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, guys, you are so welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to ring that bell so you get notified every time I drop some new videos. So as you guys can tell by today's title, last week I dropped a more of my neutral glowy kind of spring look. So today I decided to film something a little bit different. So this is more of like my nude. I'm sure these colors kind of look very orangey, but when I post up a picture on my Instagram, you guys will definitely see this is very nude than what it looks like right now. I know it looks orange, maybe it's because of the background giving off that color on my eyes, but however, this is a nude glowy look. So this is a look I'll probably wear if I'm going out on a night out. If I want to stick to my nude routine, I'll just stick to this. Going out, hitting out with the girls, or probably on a date. Yeah, so if you guys would like to know how I actually achieved this look and what products I used, what products I used to actually achieve this look, don't forget to keep watching.
So I'll then be starting off with my Urban Decay Eye Potion primer for my eyes, and then I'll be going in with my Morphe 35V palette, and I'll be using it's not really orange, it's more of an orange reddish kind of shade which has more of a neutral tone to it, and I'll be using that as my transitional shade. It did start off a little bit black on my right eye. It did start off a little bit black, but I managed to blend that in and to cover out that blackness on the brush. And next up, to start my crease, I'll then be using my BH Cosmetics brush, and I'll be going in with my Smashbox contour foundations. This has more very light shade than what I'd normally use on my face, so I decided to use this as a shade that I'll be using to cut my crease. So next up, the shade that I'll be using over my crease that I just cut is more of a shimmery brownish goldish shade from the same palette, and I'll just be patting that over the concealer. And with the same brush, I'll then be using the Access product and putting some more eyeshadow just under my lash line, as you guys can see, and I'll be going in with a more shimmery shade. I know it didn't show off very well on camera, but this is more of like a highlighting shade, as you guys can see over here, and I'll be putting that in the inner corners of my eyes. Next, I'll be going in with my Maybelline Lash Effect Eye Mascara, and I'll just be putting some mascara on my eyes before I put on my eyelashes. So lashes are finally done. Let's get to the skin. So before I put on any primer, I'll be going in with my Makeup Revolution baking oil. This actually gives off a flawless and easy application once you put on your foundation. So I'll be just putting that over my face just as I'd normally put on a primer, just for a more easy and successful application, and it smells super good. Next up, I'll be going in with my Huda Beauty foundation in the shade Mocha, and I'll be using my BH Cosmetics foundation brush, and I'll be spreading the foundation evenly across my face. You guys can see this foundation actually does tend to give off a yellow undertone, more of a red undertone than a red undertone, because I do have a red undertone, so I think I do make it work with my contour and highlighting process. So back in with Makeup Revolution, I'll then be going in with their concealer, and this is in the shade, I'll be lying if I say I know this shade. I'll be sure to leave it in the description box down below, and I'll just be blending the product evenly across my face. I really do love the consistency and the thickness of this particular concealer. It's more like the consistency of the Fenty Beauty. It's very thick, it's full coverage, and trust me, it is crease proof as well. So ladies, if you're looking for that perfect concealer, you could definitely go for this, and it's super affordable. I think I got mine for about $6 at Ulta Beauty. PS, Makeup Revolution products are only sold at your nearest Ulta Beauty, so get busy. Okay, so I'll be testing out some new Makeup Revolution products. So I'll be going in with their banana powder. This is my first time actually trying out banana powder, and I must say I really do love the outcome, and it works super well on dark skin. So if you're a melanin sister like me, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you're melanin, and just like me, this banana powder really works very well. And I feel like everything these days has a very good scent to it. Like all makeup products have scents to it. So I'll be doing a bit of a reverse contour under my cheeks, and I'll be putting a little bit on the bridge of my nose and under my chin as well. Now what's a look without a contour? So I'll be going in with my LA Girl Pro Face powder, compact powder in the shade Cocoa, and I'll just be using a bit of the product. This is highly pigmented, so a little bit goes a very long way, and I'll just be contouring the rest of my face. And then to set my entire face, I went in with my Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Hazelnut, and then I set my entire face with it because this particular setting powder is the exact matching skin tone of my face, so it works perfectly as a full setting powder. So back in with Fenty Beauty, I'm going in with my Unveil lipstick, and then I'll be using that as a 2 shade for my nude lippy that I'm about to create. And I'll be going in with my NYX Powder Puff lipstick, and this is very matte, and I just love how the applicator is. It's very soft and velvety as well, and I'll just be putting that in the center of the Fenty Beauty that I put on. Next up, I went in with my MAC. This is in the shade Kinda Sexy, and I put that a little bit more just to give it more of a nude look. Went in with the second layer of the Unveil. And next up, we're using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist over my face just to set the entire face up. Again, we're going in with the Morphe highlighter, and this is in the shade Mirage, if I'm not mistaken. And we're just highlighting that face. I feel like I really do go too much with the highlighter. I'm trying to draw back from putting on way too much highlighter. It is hard, but I'm definitely going to get there very soon. So this is it, guys. This is the final and finished look. Very simple and easy to create. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you like this tutorial. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button too, and hit that notification. Till next time, guys, don't forget to spread the love. Bye.